Welcome to the Random Picker Webinar 1 tutorial video for beginners. So you're ready to do your first raffle, but you're not sure how to go about it? Starting from the My Account page, click on Create New. First step is to name your project. Whatever name you want to give it. So you have named your project, then you look at chance of winning, your next option, and you have two choices. All entries have the same chance of winning by default, or if you want to have a weighted drawing where some participants can have increased chances, then you would choose the lower button. We're going to just do this with the same chance of winning in this example drawing. Okay, so you have, by default, there's draw winner. That's just the standard type of drawing, or you could do a sports drawing. We'll just go with draw winner. So very easy, that's covered. There are advanced options here. You can choose a different type of drawing method, different type of randomizer, or you can also type in some rules here in terms and conditions. Maybe you have a website where participants can look at the results of the drawing. These are all options that you can put in, or just skip if you really don't want to do that. So then we just hit on the bottom here, next step. Now we're going to add the prize name and number of winners. So let's click on Add New Prize. And for this example drawing, we're going to just say $100 gift certificate. Okay, so we've got our prize. You can add more prizes if you want many more. You just click on that and add as many more prizes as you want. So now we have our prize. We next are going to the next step. Add the entries. For a smaller raffle, you could just manually type in each participant's name. But if you're doing a much larger drawing, say 50, 100, or even many more participants, you'll want to use a spreadsheet like an XLS, an XLSX, or TXT file. And so we're going to just do that to show you how that works. So here it gives you the instructions: import data from Excel or TXT file. Be sure to carefully follow these instructions. It can be as simple as just one column and one entry per row, or you can have additional columns that can be used for adjusting the weight. I'm going to now upload the file, so you choose the file, and then you, okay, there's my Excel SX file. I open that. As you can see, it's chosen the file. Now hit the upload button. And you can see here the progress. If you're doing it right, it should show you all of the uploaded participants as shown here. We have a pretty large file here. Okay, so now that we've put these in, you're actually ready to do a test drawing, which is a good idea, so you can have a feeling for how the final drawing will go. So let's do a test drawing. And there you have it. It's already been done. You can click here to see the results. And there we see the prize and our winner. And that's basically it. Now you can go back and readjust things, download the winners. You could do another test, or you can just go ahead and do your final draw. So let's do the final drawing. Okay, do you really want to proceed? Yes, we do. And as you can see, there's a total number of entrants, almost 1,000. Let's do the final drawing. Click here to see results. And there you have it. There's our winner. And here's the random number generated. And there you have it. You can download that or go back to the project overview. So that's how you do your first raffle here on RandomPicker.com.